welcome to this week's video. So I'm gonna be filming what I eat in a day, quarantine edition. We are gonna be in quarantine for a whole minute now, which is kind of scary, but I decided why not film what I eat. Some stuff I'm trying to be more healthy and not just eat, you know, junk food all the time, and like that bag of Doritos over there. It's 11:14. I've been waking up early now. Like, I'm trying to put some alarms on like really early because I usually wake up at like 12 or 2, and I never got to film the video because I was like, well, there goes breakfast, and I go straight into freaking lunch. So we're waking up early. It's such a nice day. It's literally blue skies, and I'm stuck inside. I'm so sad. Like, this is so sad. Anyways, let's go eat some breakfast. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, and let me get you some really healthy recipes and things I eat. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna try and do this TikTok dance. Let's see how well. I gotta explain what we have.
Puri.
I have to explain what the puri is. Okay, this isn't healthy,
Bread.
but it's really good.
Bread dipped in oil. Some vegetables.
Wait, why are you the same height as me?
You haven't seen a father is. What? I can see.
Oh, just stop. Okay, this is how I make my coffee. I have a cup, my metal straw, coffee cold brew, and we have the sugar to turn it, spin it around. This is the main thing. The caramel syrup, really good. That's good. That's enough. Now I'm gonna add the ice. And then now we have the almond milk. What do you mean you're also getting?
Yeah, I thought that we were making me too. But I need a hot one.
Oh, ew, no one likes hot.
No, because now this coronavirus.
Huh?
Take the long, the one.
Okay, this is what I eat for breakfast. We have my iced coffee, and this is the traditional Indian breakfast. Basically what my brother said, like dough but fried, but it's not fried. It's like,
What is red membrane?
it's good.
I've never heard about red.
And then here's the potatoes.
Maybe red membrane. Five is the actual one and now fake, right? Maybe
What?
five. Cup is hotter than the chai.
What does that even have to do with me? I don't care.
Oh my god, you can touch the cup?
Huh?
It's so hot, I cannot put the lip here. 30 seconds.
Abu, I did a minute and 15.
But that's why this become hot, this become not. This is.
Okay, so I just had my breakfast. It's 11:45 now, so I'm just drinking my coffee. And I got a package because I ordered like some stuff because I was online shopping and bored, you know, wasting money. But it came in today, and my mom's not letting me bring it inside the house. So I have to sneak it in, but I'm gonna see how healthy I can get. So basically the thing I had for breakfast, the traditional like Indian breakfast, it was good. It's like one of my favorite things to eat as an Indian breakfast. I was gonna make pancakes, but my mom made that, so I'm just gonna stick with my mom made. But it's a lot later now, and it is lunchtime. It's basically 3:15. I'm gonna go eat now. I'm gonna go make some pasta. I was really craving it because I'm over all this Indian food, and I need something different now. Looking forward to some. Here's some water for my pasta. I'm gonna add some salt to the water. I'm gonna boil the pasta now. Here's the sauce I'm using. It's tomato and basil, and then I'm gonna add cheese in it so we get some saucy, cheesy look. Can't wait. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce in the saucepan over there. So let's, add some oil. We're gonna add some parsley.
चलो फिर मेडिसिन को तो मैंने उनको कहा दिया काम कर रहे हैं फ्री फंड में चल रहा उनका काम है ना मैंने कहा बाद में सुनने में टाइम मौका ही नहीं मिला
Cheese. Add a handful of cheese. We love it cheesy, nice. We're gonna keep some of the water from the pasta. I'm gonna put it to like a bowl. We're gonna drain out the pasta.
देखो अभी जो मैंने की है ना अभी जो मैंने की है
The pasta into the sauce on medium heat. That's how the pasta looks. It looks really nice and creamy. I have my pasta here and I'm just gonna add some parsley. Look at this. Look at this. Look how nice that looks. That looks so good. A taste test. Ready? That's good. Oh. That's some nice pasta. I approve. This is really good. Hey, but are you gonna wake up? Hey, but it's 4 o'clock. Okay. Just ate my lunch. It was really freaking good. Yeah, I don't know if you could understand any of the ingredients or whatever I was saying because my dad was just talking to his friend in the background, so I don't know. This is my fan. It gets so hot in my room, it's freaking insane.
Oh wow.
Same difference. Are you stupid?
Jane,
Sand in my eye, sorry.
what do you? Oh,
Dad,
wow,
what are you
so
doing?
Then we could have gotten it over.
Come on, here we go.
Right, this is अंदर से इसके सारा. What are you doing? चुड़िया खराब हो जाएगी बेटा.
We're gonna make us nice banana. Add some frozen fruit. Some yogurt. Just gonna add a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna blend. Anyways, here's my smoothie. It's orange because we had pineapples. What? We had pineapples, papaya, strawberry, and mango, and then a whole banana.
Why do you only make enough for yourself?
Hey, but it's for me and Abu.
Why does Abu get some and I don't?
Hey, but you'll get some. Just calm down. Making a video on what I eat in a day. I made some really nice pasta.
What do you eat?
Hey, but you don't. Okay, well, this is
Why does it sound less?
because I didn't put a lot of almond milk because I don't. Okay, you know what?
It tastes like.
Just shut
You
up.
know what? I'm gonna eat it with a spoon.
With a spoon.
This tastes like chocolate with smoothie cafe.
Really?
No.
Oh.
Actually, yeah, it does.
Really?
This is the best smoothie you've ever made. You've never made this.
Wow. Look at that.
It's actually. Yeah, trying to be healthy for your video, but you're really not. Because
Abu,
you
do
have a
you
bag of
want-
Doritos in your room.
No, I don't. Do you want? Here's my smoothie, which took too long to make. This is really soothing. I can just sit here and go wee. Wow, guys, summer's coming and we're gonna be at home. Isn't that great? Look at the sky. It's just so blue. I filmed some TikToks and I can't dance. That's what it's up to. Bro, I seriously feel so bad for the seniors this year. Like, their whole senior year is over now. No one can go back to school anymore. That's actually so sad because my senior year was so much fun and I loved it. Oh my goodness, why is everybody arguing in the background? We're having dinner now. Let's see what we have. Wow, Abu can cook.
Yeah, he's acting better now. He's like
हाँ बेटा नहीं
Some rice
and Abu made it. Batao.
from my father. Wait, whose is that?
This is mine. तुम लोग plate ले बेटा हम भूल गए.
Ate my food. And it's really dark
Wait, when you got on the
outside.
test? I'm so scared.
But yeah, free bed.
One bag.
I just came back from eating. Didn't vlog a lot because my SD card kept messing with me and it just like shut out like sometimes, so that's why the clips were kind of like choppy. But it was like I ate some rice with potatoes and peas and there was like yellow coloring, so I made it yellow. It was really good. I love it so much. It's really nice. I just don't know what it's called. That was my dinner. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video basically. I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here. And stay tuned for a lot of videos because I am posting twice every week, Wednesdays and Sundays. So, you know, that's kind of cool, I guess. If you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat.